friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be shipping out my very first Depop order. So this is super exciting. I literally just posted on my Instagram today that my Depop was live, and I already have my very first order from my friend Cheryl, who's amazing, literally queen of anything Pirates of the Caribbean. But I'm super excited. She chose this really cute Lilo inspired dress that I found. So I will be shipping that out to her today, and I thought that it might be fun to show you guys kind of how I go through this process. Now, the only way I was able to figure out how to do this was from watching other YouTube videos, so I'll link some other videos down below that I actually watched to help me get through this process. But to tell you, to say the least, it was definitely very difficult to figure out how to get my PayPal connected to USPS and UPS. That took a decent amount of configuring, so I'm definitely going to talk about that during this video and kind of show you the couple different ways you can verify your PayPal and stuff like that. But that being said, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to grab the dress, and first thing we're going to do is just package it up super cute to send off to Cheryl. If you're new here to this channel, hello, my name is Kaz, aka the Queen of Glitter, and I basically do a bunch of really fun thrifting, cosplay making, Disney park attending type of videos. So if you're interested in anything like that, go ahead and click the subscribe button so you don't miss any new content from me. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is package this up really cute. I have all the little things that I bought that I showed you in my last video. But here's the dress. I'm just going to fold it really quick so that it looks nice. Okay, so this dress is very long, so I had to fold it in half and then kind of roll it up a little bit. But what I want to do is add a little bit of ribbon to make it look cute, which I saw people do. Okay, so that's basically the first step. And then I'm going to add a piece of candy, a delicious Airheads Extreme little cherry to match. And then I'm also going to add a very cute Disney princess sticker, which I got a bunch of these, a giant pack of them on Amazon. So there's lots of really cute ones, and I thought that would just be really cute to add in every package. So there's a really fun mix. Let me think what Cheryl might like. I feel like a pretty Ariel one would be really cute. Like this one, it's really pretty. So I'm going to add this little sticker in as well. Shink. And then we'll just tie a little bow on top. Okay, now I think it looks really cute. So I'm going to slip this into this poly mailer that I got from Etsy. And I'm going to add a few other things in here too. I'm going to add a business card, which these are my new ones. So it says the Queen of Glitter. Then it has all of my info on there, the shop and stuff. And then I'm also going to make a cute little thank you note. And this I'm going to do using the postcards that I got from Vistaprint with my same little pattern on them. So here's what they look like. It's very simple. It just says Queen of Glitter, and it's shiny on this side, and then you can write on the back. So I'll write a little note for Cheryl. Now we'll slide this in. Now that all the really cute fun stuff is done, we're going to try to make this as small as humanly possible. This is something that I learned from watching other sellers where they folded everything to get it to a smaller size. So you don't have to ship the entire package, which is cool. I'm going to try to get rid of all the air in it too. And then I'm going to seal it like I normally would. I'm going to grab my scale to weigh it. So this is something you can buy on Amazon. I think I got this a while ago when I was first trying to ship out ears and stuff. And I've really used it, of course. But it's really easy. You basically just turn it on. Hello. Zero's out. I'm just gonna plop this on. And I know it's 12.6 ounces. So it's really important to know how much all of your packages weigh, because basically that determines the price of each thing. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is go to paypal.com, and I'm going to sign in, which I will not show you. So now I'm here on my PayPal. I can see the payment from Cheryl right here. So the good thing about using PayPal is that you can basically keep all the money that you're making and using to ship in the same place. So you can kind of keep track of all of your costs, which I think is really brilliant. So that's definitely why I want to use it. So what I'm going to do is, because I don't really have the shipping button up here yet, I'm just going to do paypal.com and then go /ship, create shipping label. So it's paypal.com/ship-label/create. And that's going to take me here. So now I'm going to put in the address of who I'm shipping it to. So this can be found right on my DePop app. So I'm just going to pull up Cheryl's address so I can make the label for her. Okay, so now that I have that information in, I have the opportunity to select how I want to ship. So, because I want to use USPS, I'm going to select first class mail parcel service. And then I can choose the type of package. So this is package/thick envelope. The weight, we took the weight, so we know that that is 12.7 ounces. Oh, looks like it won't let me add the 0.7. So I guess that's fine. 12 ounces, all right. We would definitely want tracking. And I'm not going to add insurance. So that should be everything that we need. So I'm going to now calculate my shipping cost. And it's going to be $4, which is about what I expected. So my credit card's already connected here because it's connected through PayPal, so that's really cool. And I can basically just confirm and pay for my shipping and then print it out with my little label maker, which I will show you. I got to the step of needing to load the paper, and I realized that the label that I bought are drastically too large. I obviously was not paying enough attention when I thought I was selecting the correct ones. So I just had to run to the store and get these that should be the correct size. So let's cross our fingers that that's true. That looks right. So I'm going to go ahead and load that into the machine and print out this label. But basically all I have to do is plug it into my laptop here. So there's like a little cord, and then you can like print right from it. So it should be very simple. Okay, so I finally got it to work. I realized you have to select the paper size that you have, and then I realized that yet again I got the wrong type of labels. We're doing great. So I just ordered the correct type of labels, but I was able to make this work by just sticking the two together, but I actually need like a longer length, which I would have known if I had watched this video when I originally got this printer. But you know what? That's okay. We're learning new things every day. This has taken me the entire day to do this for no good reason, but now I'm actually ready to go drop this off at the post office, so I'm going to do that real quick. But I just want to very quickly talk about the problems that I had trying to figure out how to connect USPS to my PayPal. So what you have to do is verify your PayPal. So the two ways you can do that is by applying for PayPal credits. So they have like a credit card, or there's actually a debit card, like a cash card, which I think is not a bad idea because then you can make any purchases within the PayPal app. You can use the money that you're making in order to fund different like products and stuff. Like I could have bought my shipping labels with a PayPal debit. So I think that that's not a terrible idea. Or you just have to verify your bank account, which was actually pretty easy to do. So that's what I did today because I was like, I gotta get things moving. So if you have any questions about that, I can go into more detail. It's pretty like laid out for you. If you go to the PayPal website and you search like how to verify my PayPal, it'll pop up those two options for you and then let you go ahead. If you go to your banking area, you can choose to like verify your bank account. So There you go. I'm gonna pop over to the post office. I'll see you when I get back. Okay, so I'm back from the post office. Obviously, I am filming this on another day because my hair is purple. Cannot hide these secrets. But I did drop that package off at the post office, and it was so easy because all I had to do was literally drop it off there. I didn't have to use the machines or anything. This is definitely the easier and cheaper way to ship items. I wish that I had actually taken the time to learn how to do this when I was shipping out Mickey ears, because I would have saved myself a lot of money. Since then, I've actually shipped out a couple of other orders, so I'm really excited about Depop. I'm trying to get more and more stuff up there. It's been a bit of a hectic week, but I am definitely working to build up my shop, and I hope that this kind of showed a little bit of the process and putting everything into packaging, because I feel like there's so many details that you don't think about when you're like, oh, I'm just going to sell this dress, but I need to take photos this way, and I need to, know how to do shipping with the scale and have the poly mailers and all this sort of stuff that you wouldn't originally think about. So I hope that this was maybe a little bit helpful, or kind of, gave you some information on the other side of things. But like I said, I learned all of this from watching other YouTube videos, so I will add some of the ones that I watched in the little description down below. But that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Next week I'll be back with more of a fun craft project. I know that this one wasn't necessarily as exciting, but I do think that it's important to show kind of all the steps of Depop. And if you want to see how I listed everything and took my photos and all that kind of stuff, you can watch my other Depop video where I start my entire Depop shop if you are interested in knowing more about that. But also, I just have to say that I'm looking at my hair right now, and it was fully purple, but now it's kind of faded a little bit into blue at the tips, and I feel like I am a mermaid, and I'm very excited about it. That's all for me. I'll see you guys in my next video. But until then, stay sparkly. Bye-bye.